Alright guys, so day 2 on board, vlog number 2 out of 100. It's about 4:30 in the morning and I'm getting ready to go. I've got some lozenge in my mouth, so yeah, so 4:30 in the morning, you're ready to go, just going down to the engine room. Chief engineer is there. I'll get my stabilization of the engine room, get things going there. You know, we'll just take a walk around in the engine room, and by the time once it's broad daylight, we'll start a deck round, and that's pretty much it. I've got all my company forms and documentations done. Just the physical ground checks in the engine room, on the deck, and any other things that we need to see. Just for viewing, we are out. We are just in the first locks of the Panama Canal. We are in the Atlantic side. We are in the Atlantic side of the Panama Canal. So we're just getting into the first locks. There's a bit of light rain, so shouldn't be that bad. Let's go. So where are we off to now? Yes, the engine room entrance. It's going to get noisy. Suit up and be ready for the engine room. This is quite noisy, but it's the engine room. I mean, that's the way it's meant to be. That's the way it's designed. So heading straight to the control room, as I'm not familiar with the place. I need to go to the engine room, get familiarized, and only then move around. So chief engineer and the gang waiting at the control room for me. Anyway, you can look at the main engine. The big bad main engine, 15,000 kilowatt, 15,000 kilowatt. The first things I like to do is get my headlight going. Let's check it out. Nightstick, one of the best brands of IS lights that I've used, and I've been carrying it for a long time. Happy with it? Nightstick. Yeah, with my dear good friend and brother. Thanks. Okay, thank you for your come. Okay, thank you. Saying bye-bye to my spare cabin because I've almost taken over. And remember to put on this blind because it's not safe for navigation, because the light obstructs the night navigation. अब इस spare cabin का समय खत्म हो चुका है and मुझे अपने cabin, chief engineer cabin में जाना है. तो मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. Safety gear ready है. Bags ऊपर पहुंचा दिए हमने. And that's the ball. We're in the chief engineer's cabin. My bags are here. Cabin tour कोई और वीडियो में and कोई और टाइम पे. अब तो फिलहाल वक्त नहीं है. I need to change. मुझे change करना है. Get into my baller suit with on my nice fancy stripes and head down to the engine room. But before that, one stop at the bridge. Say hello to the guys. Find out what's the plan and then head down. So ready for action and ready to face another day. The first day actually. And चलो अब चलते हैं ब्रिज पे. उधर जाएंगे and we'll get familiar with the passage plan for the rest of the voyage from Gatun Lake, heading out towards the Pacific Ocean. और हेलो मेरे प्रिय भारतीय भाई और बहनों, अब तो ब्रिज टीम से मिल चुका हूँ मैं. आगे का प्लान पता कर लिया उनसे. कप्तान इज ऑलरेडी रेडी. उन्होंने भी टेक ओवर कर लिया है. एंड अब Captain Joey और मैं out into the Pacific in maybe 4.5 या 5 घंटे में. We'll be clearing the last locks of Panama and I'm heading to the engine room. Chief Engineer Frank को relieve करेंगे उनके responsibilities है और हम लेंगे अपने कंधे पर this ship. Take care. See you. It's my ship, my baby. So just connecting my own hard drive to the computer and bringing out my files, my fuel correction formulas and all pretty important. I have to adjust to this ship as per what it's supposed to be, because you know you have the flow meters, the fuel tanks, the fuel consumptions, all would be different, the propeller pitch. So a lot of details to be edited as per what I want for my convenience. So you know, whenever I pull out this sheet, I know how much the engine consumes and I'm confident I just read my data the way I want it. Quite a busy day with taking over from Chief Fang. Panama Transit, the boys also busy. We're also busy, almost done getting out. Just come for a quick dinner. Some roast chicken, I think there's some fish balls and salad of course. And that's mine. Just pretty much a simple farmer dinner today. So an evening walk on the deck before we exit the canal finally. That side at the Pacific end, there's a big huge container vessel, Zim Canada. She just anchored and moved here for a bit. So ये एक बड़ा container vessel है, बड़ा कंटेनर जहाज जो यहाँ रुका हुआ है. एंकर डाल के एंड मूरिंग केबल्स भी बंधी हुई है यहाँ पे। बाकी के आज के जो प्लान के अनुसार के जो जहाज है जब निकलेंगे पैसिफिक कोस्ट की तरफ, उसके बाद ये जिम कनाडा, ये बड़ी कंटेनर शिप उस तरफ निकलेगी into the Atlantic Ocean. Few very important things is chief engineer standing over notes, company formats, and then the one that generally gets missed out, chief engineer standing orders. So every chief engineer must make your own personal standing orders. It has to be customized and personalized as per the chief engineer, in line with the company guidelines and in line with all the COSWEB guidelines and everything else. So make sure you do that once you're the chief and get that read and signed and understood by all your engineers so that everybody is on the same page. Last set of locks opening for us to head out into the Pacific. Getting all the ropes on board, and that's the last bit of the mooring that's going to happen here at Panama at the forward station. After this Pacific Ocean, here we go. The gates on the Pacific side are opening, so that means we are out in just a few more minutes, or rather maybe even a few seconds. So it's time to say bye-bye to Panamanian waters and out into the Pacific. Take care, bye-bye, and probably this is the last log on the deck for now. The next one would be once I get to the engine room and then we get out and call it a night. About 9:25 p.m. out of the Panama Canal, the last locks into the Pacific, and yeah, heading towards China. Hopefully we get some good weather. So engine running on gas, seems steady for now. Hopefully all goes steady for the night. The fuel index is in order. Let's switch to the performance curves in order. The gas scope in order, looks good. The gas curves, engine running pretty okay. Shaft power at about 81%. Engine power pretty okay, looks good. Parameters good. Engineers taking their final rounds. I'll do the fuel calculations and maybe a short snack, some noodles or something, and then call it a night. So take care. If I have time, I'll edit it today or just edit it tomorrow. So in my cabin, and last job for the day is I'm just gonna log into my ID in my Solex watch. So I just need to allow the permissions and see what it says. It says here it says, welcome Chief Engineer Sean Gerald D'Souza, and ready to use. So that's it, end of the day, and lights are going to be out soon.